Next up, in preparing our playfield, we're going to add the plywood depth to the actual playfield. So we're going to do that in a couple steps. The first is going to be all of the holes that we are not cutting out of the actual playfield. So we're going to go back to that mesh, we're going to duplicate it, and we are going to bring it back into our visible collection. Yep. So now we're going to start grabbing all the top vertices, and we're going to make them all the same height, and then we're going to move them all to, I don't know, just a hair below the playfield. Well, let's just put them right at 0 for now. There, how's that? Okay, then we're going to grab everything from beneath. Going to do the same thing, even, and then they are going to be a 1/4 inch deep, like they would be on a real pinball machine. These have tops and bottoms on them, and we need to get rid of that. So we're going to select the top and bottom, similar, coplanar. We're going to get rid of all those faces. Okay, so you can see where this is going now. We're going to shade all of these smooth. We're just going to make sure that the geometry is clean, so we're going to get rid of duplicates. And there we go, that's good. And then let's take a look and make sure the normals are all facing the correct way. We want them all facing in, or they won't show up. In some cases they are here, and in some they're not. So we're going to recalculate all inside. And that looks to be complete. Cool. It looks like I grabbed everything instead of just the ones that we are not cutting out. But that's okay. Not important. So let's give this a texture. Make it look like plywood. Pull up just these. Get a good look at them. And now you can laugh at me fumbling around. Trying to place this correctly. I've got a plywood texture that I like. And you can see that these do not all map the same way. So we're going to change that to object. Now at least they're all screwed up together. And if we rotate 90 degrees, there we go. A lot of seams here, so we need to stretch that out some, and then in some cases just maybe we can try to hide those a little bit. I don't know, not sure how much time that's worth. I don't know, I think that's as good as I want it. Cool, so those are done. And you can look at this and you can see the result. Looks good.